Alright, here's where I'm at with the CNC. If I can get a good picture on this. So if you come in the room, it takes up this whole closet by about that much. I don't have the door frame on yet. I just got it setting up there to see what it's going to be like. Got the CNC machine's all done. And got the lights running here. And this is where the actual door cutout is. And there's going to be a piece that goes up here too. And down here, I've got the coolant reservoir and pump. I've got the catch basin. This one here is the catch basin, which I don't know if you can see, but there's a hole cut out in the center for it to go down. This whole plastic catch basin, and it just goes down to the center into that tub, and it'll come up through this tube and gets recirculated through this sprayer, which gets air and this flood coolant mixture into like a mist, and it sprays it right at the tool. And then also I've got the coolant pump reservoir, which is the other tub down there with the pump, and that's this orange line, and that goes to the water cooling system for the spindle motor. So, and then I also got, obviously that's the air compressor, which it's this big black rubber hose, which goes to this block for the mist cooler. So all that's all tucked under there. Now I'm just down to wiring everything to here, and then from here, this is the main control board, which connects to this wire, this plug, which goes up to the computer I got set up for it, and I've got this special card here for it to plug into. So I'm down to wiring, testing, setting up the software, and finishing the door frame and the door. That's what I'm down to. Plus, I don't like the way this is sitting on this stand. I need to shim it. If you can see the distance in between this wall, it's not sitting perfectly level in any direction, so I need to do some shimming to get it to sit right. Because as you can see, even when it's shimmed perfect, I might have an issue with this motor sticking out a little too far, but I knew that from the get-go that I might have to deal with that. So, alright, well there it is. That's how far I am.